Teacher, where is Anu? Sammy, sir, she is absent today. Teacher, why is she absent? Sammy, sir, she has gone to New Delhi to attend his sister's marriage. Teacher, has she sent the leave letter through you? No, sir. Teacher, then it is very bad. You must not be absent without leave letter. Sammy, yes, sir. Teacher, have you answered the paragraph questions? Sammy, yes, sir, we have. Teacher, boys, look at the picture on the wall. Sammy, who is he? Teacher, he is poet named Bob Dylan. Sammy, sir, I know about him very well. He got Nobel Prize for Literature.